Paul Singh, and you guys are welcome in my YouTube channel called Ecom King and Shopify Expert. Today I'm going to teach you how to import product from AliExpress to your store on Shopify. I know you all know how to do this. Most of the people know this, but in this video I'm going to show you what you should not do while importing the product. To import the product from the AliExpress to your store, you need to go into one app that's called Oborlo, and this app is very popular in the Shopify field. You can see in my app that I have already installed Overlo app. But if you have not installed the Overlo app, then you just need to click here, and when you will click here, then you will visit here. You just need to find Overlo. You can see it. I am doing it, and this is an app. After clicking on this app, you just need to click add app, and you are just done, right? So this app will help you to import the product from AliExpress to your store. So I have already installed this app, so I do not need to install again, you know. So let's visit on this Overlo app, and how you are going to import the product from AliExpress. Let's say it, in order to upload the product or import the product from AliExpress, you need to visit on Overlo. So let's come on Overlo, and let's teach you how to import the product from AliExpress. So, and you need to come on the AliExpress. Let's come on the AliExpress, and let's take any product which you liked and which you have not liked also. No problem. It is just purpose of teaching you only. So I am just coming on this product. Okay, this is my product, which I'm going to import on my store. Okay. So now come on the Overflow. Now you can see whenever you will click on the import list, you will find that find product or add product by URL or ID. Let's import the product by entering the URL. So let's click here, and you can see that I need to import this product on my store. So what I will do, I will just copy this link. I'll just copy this link, and I will paste it here. And I'm just done. Okay, let's import one product, some other niche that's called undergarment. Okay, I have searched this. You can see women undergarment. Let's take any product randomly. No need to think a lot. Okay, I'm going to import this product on my store. So I will copy this. I will copy this URL, and I will visit here, and I will add it. Let's see. Okay, I will just add it. You can see that my product is importing on Oberlo, but we have imported the product from AliExpress to Oberlo, but we have not imported our product from Oberlo to on our store. To do that, you just need to, it is a very simple way. If you want to change the name of the product, you can do it. Let's make this 2018. It is okay, and let's make it 2021. Okay, and let's choose collections. I think I need to create a special uh, collection. Let's take for now women t-shirt, and it is not women t-shirt. I'm just taking this so that you can, so that make you understand, because I need to create a special section for this garment. Okay, let's come to description. Guys, if you want to work on the description, you can do later also. Right now I'm not doing, and if you want to change some variation here, okay, what we can do here, you can change the price of all the variation. Okay, let's do. Okay, and I want to sell this item not on $18.60. I'll sell it on $24.99. Okay, you can see, guys, you can see that my price has been changed right now. Okay, now change this also. Overall, let's make it 54.99. Okay, I hope. Okay, now it has been changed, and I will show you later on how this price is going to look on our website. And after this, you need to come on image section, and you need to select. Okay, let's see which image is good. I think all these images good. Let's take this image. This also, it looks good. This backless dress also looks good. Now at the end, you need to click on this import to store. you know and up, and you can see, guys, our product is getting imported. Now come on our Shopify. Let's see how it is looking. you know. Okay, so you can see guys, this is our product, but as I told you, we need to work on the description, because if you guys move with this description, let me tell you, you will not have a good conversion rate. So you need to write description according to the keyword. Okay, and also I will teach you how to research the keyword of any of the product, how to write description of any item. I hope you will like this video. Okay, let's see. I don't know why it is taking my time, and yeah, I don't know why it is taking my time. Okay, now it's done. Now you can see guys, you can see I have changed the name, it is coming. But do not always take my point, do not always write the description, you know, in very good manner. So right now let's see how it is looking on our website. You need to come here, more action, and you need to click on the view section. Okay guys, you can see the my product is looking good, not so good I can say, but it's okay. And you can see also the price which I changed in a Aborlo. You can see this guys, okay, all these guys, but we need to work on the description section. So this is how our product is looking right now. And also there are a lot of work which I need to do, like I need to fix the size of this product. I need to make it uniform. It is looking ugly, you know. But I have made only this video to import the product from AliExpress to store. I just wanted to teach you how you are going to do it. It is very simple way, you know. I hope you have guys, I hope you have liked this video guys. And if you like this video, then please subscribe my channel, so that I can teach you another thing about Shopify.